Hello everyone, welcome to Fun Audio. Today we are introduce you our monitor. We have 15-inch, 12-inch, and 10-inch, passive and active. So you can see this is our logo, Fun Audio, and this is the sports. So you can see this is use our brand. The back you can see we use the watch play wood and have another wood. If you have any event, you can choose this one.